Right here, we're in my exhibition space, if you like. My whole house is my studio, you know, with the exception of the bedroom. And during studio tour, I'll actually have 3 artists here. One outside, that is Akila Watts, and on the terrace, I'll have Julia Seymour. But here, this is my space. And what do? I paint. What I'm working on right now is, over the summer, I've painted with pastel. And I've done about 30 pastel paintings. I'll be going further with the pastel. I'll be working with wax over top and with collage on these paintings. Over here, we have wax resist technique.